What's up, YouTube? I'm gonna do a bike check. Oh yeah, my head check, whatever. I'm gonna do a bike check today, 2013. Alright, so my bike got really different. Alright, see here. Start off from the front. On the lights. Start off from the front right here. I don't know if you can see that. Let me check. No, you can't. Alright, so start from the front here. This is a Primo N4FL laced to a shadow stun rim and Talmud wall tires. Right here is the stolen Vortex forks and an animal peg. You got a stock stem because that's how I roll. Stock stuff. Demolition bars. What is it? I got 8.75 by 27.5. Right down here, got that Odyssey swagger and riders. This is a BSD V2 Forever V2, 20.8 top tube. I don't know if you guys see that. Let me check. Whatever. Sexton, Kink Sexton state, and a animal wedge post, but I lost my boat here. That's why I got it. Anyways, alright. Profile cranks, DH, spindle, EZRA sprocket 23 teeth, and I got new Odyssey Twisted PCs I just got like a month ago. And they're horrible, they're starting to rip. Anyways, animal light peg, and a Primo hubguard, Primo remix, laced to a Primo VS. So that's pretty much it. I'll let you hear my hub. And coat band grips. I'll let you hear my hub. Yeah, it's kind of crazy. I'll put my bike down, give you an overview of it. Alright, so yeah. Odyssey power ends, Sexton seats. I pretty much covered everything. I got stock bottom bracket, stock headset, stone thermalite. Yeah, 50/50. Go to 50/50. 50/50 skate park from Staten Island. Should go. Update. It's pretty not much to update. No, whatever. There's probably gonna be an edit out in a little bit. I don't know. I got my first dent right here. This is my dent. I got my first dent. Well, alright, peace. And one thing I gotta tell you, never get a BSD Forever V2 for it. Look at that shit. I had a sticker on here and I pulled it off. Look at this side. Take bringing graffiti. Alright, anyways, hope you guys enjoy your day. Peace out on the street. PvP.